Thanks for joining us on Valley News Live. You're looking at the Dakota Magic Casino camera out there, and oftentimes when we have this view, you can see the Sisseton Hills in the background, and you can barely or faintly make them out. So we do have some precipitation showing up on the radar. Not all of it's reaching the ground. The roads appear to be dry at this time, but do not be surprised if we get a renegade brief shower or flurry as we head through the evening hours, mainly in our southern and eastern communities. 37 right now at Hector, 39 at Moorheads Airport. Those winds gusting over 30 miles per hour, and around the region we have temperatures above freezing in almost all areas with the exception of this little sliver here behind Hutch's white line, or the freezing line. How about those 40s returning to central Minnesota, Roseau to Baudette down to Bemidji, where, well, Babe the Blue Ox and Paul Bunyan are celebrating, maybe loosening a button on the flannel there for Paul. Here's a look at the radar lighting up a little bit from Fargo all the way through Alexandria and the Twin Cities along I-94. And it's just light rain showers showing up with a batch of mixed precipitation potential as well. Just a little hiccup here or there along the international border. Here's a look at temperatures. Look at the range in our region. 32 in Langdon, where we had temperatures in Can-Do of sub-zero this morning. So a huge rise in temperatures of about 35 degrees today there. And it's 77 in Rapid City, South Dakota, 53 in Hettinger, where they got a boatload of snow last week. Now as we take a look at the winds, gusting in most locations over 30 miles per hour, even 40 miles per hour. Shower chances will drift eastward as we go through the evening hours. Our southeast wind in green arrows here will continue. That means gusts over 35 miles per hour and your spotty showers as mentioned. Now as we go through the overnight hours, those showers exit, but here comes the next batch, and this is going to be heavy. So when you get up and head out the door on your way to work or school in the morning, if you are along and south of I-94, maybe Highway 200, rain the best bet. And some of it could be heavy in batches where we see the yellows and oranges here. And we could see some snow briefly in the Devil's Lake Basin, but this very quickly makes its way off to the east. So the impact on your morning commute will be most pronounced in the Southern Valley, where it will be heavy rain and the beginning of some accumulation in the north. I want to take pause mid-morning as this works right through the Red River Valley into Minnesota, and you notice the heavy rain and you follow that up and you get the purple snow bands. Those are convective snow showers, and they could accumulate at a tune of 1 to 2 inches per hour, causing even roads to get very wet, slushy snow on them. So we could have slick spots north, wet roads down south, and rapid accumulations on grassy areas, and likely slush on roadways across northern Minnesota and the northern Red River Valley. But look how fast this moves through. Most focused here. Watch this. Still dark blue and purple in this area, with the rain showers exiting the heaviest batches out of here by the evening drive, but not before leaving some significant precipitation amounts. Look at temperatures in the afternoon. A warm burp of air, a welcome warm burp at that. We'll have temperatures gliding through the 40s in the south and into the 40s once again east. Breezy and a rumble of thunder possible late. Wild weather. Okay, a trace to 2 inches where you see the light blue. The best chance of significant slushy wet nonsense will be in eastern Becker, Hubbard, the Bemidji area in Beltrami County and points east. 1 to 4 inches or so possible in parts of north central Minnesota. Fargo tomorrow, rain showers could be heavy through the morning hours, exiting midday, and then the afternoon sun returns. Temperatures well into the 40s with winds decreasing late out of the west. Best chance at that 45 to 55 degree reading will be in southeast North Dakota. And wow, beautiful shot here, Julia. Look at that science of melting going on right there. Here's a look at your planning forecast. Thursday, quiet, near 50 in Fargo, 47 on Friday, with some showers and thunderstorms in the area. We stay wet Saturday for our multi-day storm system. We're out in the western Dakotas. It looks white again, folks. Along the international border, we could see some snow in our area, but Fargo, we don't get too much snow here at 60 degrees. So we're making sure that you're aware that our region will have mixed weather as we go through the weekend into the beginning of next week.
As good as imagined. 60 sounds nice. The rain kind of puts a damper on that.
It's a little tempered enthusiasm.
All right, thanks, Hutch.
Yeah.
High